What if I told you the next smartphone you've been waiting for might completely redefine what smart really means? This is the all-new Google Pixel 11 Pro XL, and trust me, you're not ready for what's coming next. From the very first glance, this device feels like a bold leap into the future, featuring a stunning 6.9-inch LTPO OLED display with a buttery-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, ultra-thin bezels, and peak brightness that makes everything from Netflix to gaming look insanely vivid even under direct sunlight. But that's just the surface, because the real magic begins under the hood with Google's next-generation Tensor G6 chip, designed not just for raw performance, but for AI-driven intelligence that learns how you use your phone, optimizing apps, battery life, and even camera settings in real time, making the experience feel personal like never before. And speaking of AI, this is where the Pixel 11 Pro XL quietly becomes something much bigger than just a phone. Introducing advanced on-device AI that can summarize calls, rewrite messages in your tone, enhance photos instantly, and even predict what you'll do next, all while maintaining privacy, without sending your data to the cloud. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is where things get seriously interesting. The rumored triple camera setup includes a 50MP main sensor, an upgraded ultra-wide, and a periscope zoom lens that pushes mobile photography closer to DSLR territory, with AI-enhanced night sight, real-time video enhancement, and a new feature that might let you fix blurred faces after taking the shot, which sounds almost unreal until you actually see it happen. Performance-wise, this phone is built to handle everything from heavy gaming to multitasking without breaking a sweat, paired with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and blazing fast storage, while the massive 5,500 mAh battery ensures you easily get through a full day and beyond, supported by faster wired and wireless charging that finally catches up with flagship competition. But here's where the suspense builds. Google is also expected to introduce a completely new Android experience alongside this device, possibly Android 16, optimized specifically for Pixel devices, making everything feel smoother, smarter, and more connected than ever before, and leaks suggest the launch could happen around October 2026, staying true to Google's usual release cycle, but with a few surprises that haven't been fully revealed yet. And just when you think you've seen it all, insiders hint at an exclusive AI feature that could change how we interact with smartphones entirely, something so advanced that it might make current voice assistants feel outdated overnight. But Google is keeping that part tightly under wraps, building anticipation for what could be their biggest reveal in years. So if you're someone who wants cutting-edge AI, top-tier performance, and a camera system that keeps pushing boundaries, the Pixel 11 Pro XL might just be the phone that sets a new standard. And here's the twist. Early reports suggest Google may price it more aggressively than expected, which could shake up the entire flagship market and catch competitors off guard. Imagine getting all of this power, intelligence, and innovation at a price that undercuts rivals. That's the kind of surprise that makes this device even more exciting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know.